Hi guys, and welcome to Froggy Day Crochet. I'm Erica, your host. So today I thought I would do a little craft room tour to show you my little she shed out here that I'm always talking about. So without further ado, here you go, and I hope you like it. Okay, so this is what the outside of my she shed looks like. And let's go in the door, and hopefully I won't make you dizzy. So when you first walk in, this is what you see, and it is kind of messy except for my recording area. So over here I've just got a bookshelf with a basket and some project bags that are empty, a couple of garment racks that I use for odds and ends for different things. Over here I've just got these little stands, and then that up there holds my some of my Tunisian crochet hooks. And I have my little mannequin in the background, and I've got pegboard for some other stuff that I do that's not related to this channel. I've got a little refrigerator and sewing machine. This is where I hang my knitting needles that come in packages that have the capability to hang them. I got these little wreath forms, if you will, at the Dollar Tree. And then coming around to the other side, these are some of the looms that I have. Now if you see an empty box, it's because it's got a work in progress on it. So yeah, and then down there is a project bag that actually has a loom in it. And there's a vacuum seal bag with some yarn in it. That's got mainly wool in it. I try to keep that separate from what's on my shelves. That little guy right there is the noise you always hear in the background. It is a heater slash air conditioner. And then back here is my yarn stash. Mainly acrylics. Like I said, I try to keep the wool separate. That way if I lose a ball band, at least I know I'm working with the wool. Move this chair out of the way. Okay, so over here I've got another project bag. I've got a tote with some granny squares. Those two bags up top are projects that I'm trying to decide if I'm going to frog them or not. They have been works in progress for a very long time. Now that bag of yarn right there was recently purchased at the Goodwill. So as you can see, it's got a lot of yarn in it and a lot of older brands. So then you come back around on this side. There is my TV and printer, my speakers, computer, one of my tripods, because I have two, a basket, and a couple other baskets with work in progresses and that kind of stuff. So yeah, and I really like the fact that I have windows in here. The bottom windows we did tint because the shed sits up so high off the ground that anybody walking by would not be able to see in with the tent down below. But with the top tent, the top not tinted, I still get some kind of daylight. So that was a tour of my craft room. I hope y'all enjoyed.